In this lesson, we're going to discuss describe image. This is a question that is not one of the main ones, but it has many little tricks. During the whole lesson, I'm going to teach you some of the most important techniques that you have to take into account. From my perspective, from my personal opinion, this is one of the questions that are relatively easy and that has more tools to be prepared. When you study hard enough these type of questions, you will have the opportunity to create your own way of doing these questions, your own template. You will have a special ability, and best of all, practicing for these questions, you will learn a lot of English. You will improve your level because you will learn some concepts that I will teach you later. This question has a direct impact on speaking, only speaking. This does not evaluate any of the other bands. This implies that it is one of the secondary questions. It is not one of the questions that has the greatest impact on the exam. Do not believe what it sounds on the internet, that many people say that this is one of the most valuable questions. It's not true. This question has a secondary impact. It is not one of the lowest questions, it is intermediate, but it has many ways to be evaluated.